Hello, wonderful moms. I decided to pop in quick and introduce myself to all of you here. My name is Sabina Casian. I am a mom of a boy, also a TEFL teacher, teaching English as a foreign language, also emotional coach, digital entrepreneur, and just as a normal human being. I was born in landlocked country called Moldova, which is situated between Ukraine and Romania. But considering few life circumstances that I had in my life teenage experience, I moved to the UK back in 2011 and settled here for good. You might ask me how on earth I end up living in the UK for nearly a decade. Well, you know how it's sometimes in life. Life is full of unexpected turns, and being so interested in different cultures and countries, studying a long way about foreign languages, politics, and teaching English, my ultimate dream was to come to the UK since I was little. So, my dream come true, and I'm happy living in this country since then. Besides, here I gave birth to my little boy and have gained so many incredible life experiences that I've never thought possible for me. And one of them is digital entrepreneurship, through which I came across with a few years ago, but seriously considered as a professional career from last year. And since then, I have been lucky enough to meet professional marketing influencers, extraordinary mentors, and the most amazing moms whom I managed to engage with and set up some wonderful collaborations. One of the most beautiful collaboration, which I'm really grateful for, has started a few weeks ago, and I'm honored to be part of it wholeheartedly. This collaboration includes four other moms whom you may also meet in our group, Moms Stronger Together. We are united to share a strong mission, one of empowerment, succeeding in any area of our life, and bring us women the life balance we deserve to have by sharing our life experiences as mothers, spiritual beings, women, and mompreneurs. We are committed to progressing, impacting, and inspiring those parents who are ready to step for themselves in this new digital world and live their best life ever. You see, the best thing about starting a proper digital business and working for myself is to be able to enjoy my time with my little boy every day, connect more with people from all over the world, taking inspired actions, and create the lifestyle in a meaningful way I always wanted to enjoy in my life. To be honest with you, I have been through so many life challenging experiences, but they all strengthen my faith and believing that shift happens. Going through these life experiences and living the lifestyle I enjoy nowadays shaped me into a person I am today, who values compassion, kindness, connection, creation, courage, and human worthiness. I know to my core that everything is possible for you too. Trust me, these life experiences are all part of our human integrity. Please let us know about you. Connect with us on our Facebook page, Moms Stronger Together. Watch our video series on YouTube channel under the same name. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration if you feel to do so. We will be more than happy to hear from you and grow together. We are stronger when united. With love and infinite personal growth for me, stay safe and healthy whenever you are in this world.